D-Link router setup. This is the best way to set up your D-Link router. Connect the Ethernet cable from your internet service provider to the WAN or internet port on the back of the D-Link router. Connect one end of the included power adapter to the device and plug the other end into a wall outlet nearby. Then power on your D-Link router. If you want to reset and set up your D-Link router, when your D-Link router is powered on, press and hold the reset button more than 10 seconds until the system LED becomes quick flash from slow flash. Then release the button and wait for the D-Link router to reboot to its factory default settings. Connect your phone or computer to the D-Link router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. The default network name and password are usually on a sticker at the bottom of the D-Link router. Once your mobile phone or computer is connected to the D-Link wireless router, open a web browser, type 192.168.0.1 in the address field, and then press enter to visit the D-Link router's web management page. Now log into your router's panel. D-Link router's default username is admin and the password is blank, nothing. Click on login to continue your D-Link Wi-Fi router setup. Under WAN setup, select your connection type. If your internet service provider gives you a PPPoE username and password, please select PPPoE. Enter your PPPoE username and password given by your internet service provider. First type your PPPoE username, then type your PPPoE password. If your internet service provider gives you public IP or static IP address, select the static options and enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers given by your internet service provider. Under wireless setup, confirm or change the wireless network name SSID or Wi-Fi name. Enter the wireless network name SSID or Wi-Fi name for your wireless network. Enter the wireless network password or Wi-Fi password you have chosen. Wireless network password or Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then click Save and connect to finish the D-Link router setup and configuration. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.